I'm West. I'm here. I have a video. Yeah, I've been gone for like months. 4 months to be exact. And yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, hi. I'm kind of awkward. I feel awkward doing this. But I'm just going to be chit-chatting and get ready with me. Yeah, I'm just going to talk about what I've been missing. So, I hope you like this video. Oh, smash that like at the end if, you know, if you like it. It's so awkward. So I know I've been missing. And let me just tell you why. So, on May 6th? On May 6th, I got fired from Cracker Barrel. What the heck? I did not see all that down here. Okay, let me wipe this off. But yeah, so like May 6th, I got fired. I got fired from Cracker Barrel, but I don't even want to talk about that, like, into that why I got fired, because I feel like I was set up, and I'm pretty sure I was set up, but I can't prove that I was set up, so whatever. But, yeah, I got fired, and it was okay at first, like, I was good. And then, it was just really hard to find a job. Like, I mean, I went for 4 months, and I went through the deepest depression ever, like, I'm talking about I was like depressed, like, because I've never been like without a job, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've always had a job. Ever since I've been working, I've had a job. So it was just pretty weird that I couldn't find a job, you know? Like, I came to Texas with a job. I got a second job while I was working that job. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. It just kind of took me by surprise that I got fired. And then it was like a week before my birthday. So that really made it like 10 times worse that I got fired. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll admit, like, I'm really bad at like managing money. So I didn't have any money saved or anything. I was just like, I was broke. Like, I was broke. Couldn't really do anything for my birthday. I went out to eat, but it wasn't, I don't know, it wasn't what I wanted to do. So it was just really like, it was just really bad. It was just really bad. So that happened. I just got, you know, my new job now in September. So it's only been 4 months that, you know, I've been working. But I mean, I really love my new job now. Like, the managers are the best. You know what I'm saying? So maybe it's a good thing that I got fired, but it put me through the deepest depression ever. Like, and it showed me like who really was there for me, you know what I'm saying? What I need, because the people that helped me out, I love them. But yeah, so after, you know, I got my job, because, you know, obviously I've been working for a while. After I got my job, I really just been trying to like get my money back up, you know what I'm saying? Like, just get my money back up, because I was broke. Doing, just working hard. I also have a second job on top of that. I just got that maybe like a month ago, I think. Maybe a month ago. I'm not pretty sure. I'm not sure. But I just got that job. And that's pretty cool, but like, the management there isn't like, like, I heard this one dude this one time, this girl was asking him for help. Like, he was a manager, and he was like, I'm a manager, I don't do favors. I'm just like, what? Even like racist ass Cracker Barrel helped me out. Like, even the managers, if needed, would run food. Not saying they do it all the time, but like, if it's needed, it will get ran. You know what I'm saying? Or if you need drinks or something, like, it will get ran. Or say like, you know, you need to get set, like, they'll be up there at the door sending people, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so when I heard that, it just took me back off guard. So I'm just like, okay. Anyways, though, so yeah, I don't know yet, but I do have a second job. I have been bouncing back, And yeah, but also I had to get contacts and glasses because my contacts ripped on my interview with Denny. So I only had one contact, and then that contact ripped. And then my glasses, they had tape on them, like on each side. They were broke. They were like broke. They had tape on them. So yeah. So like I've been doing makeup, but I haven't really like been doing eyeshadow, which is why I didn't record the eyeshadow, because I messed up on it. So I'm glad I didn't record it or like try to make a tutorial out of it. But I need to like start practicing again. But yeah, that's just really what I've been missing. I lost my job in May. It put me in the deepest depression ever. Like I was scared of my damn self. And yeah, that's really it. I just was, and I didn't have any contacts because you know obviously I didn't have any money to get contacts, and I didn't have any money to get like glasses. But now I have contacts, which I need to order more. But I have glasses now that does not have tape on the sides, and they don't have scratches. They are like brand new. Yeah, they're brand new. They have the speckles in it, but that's like powder or my fingerprints and stuff like that. But yeah, I finally got contacts and glasses, so that's also a thing. Also, my diet. Oh my gosh, I've been really slacking off on my diet, like a lot. Like I eat cheese a lot now, and I need to stop. And I think that's what's making me sick, is the cheese. So I really need to stop. I really need to like reevaluate myself and get back on my diet, because I was doing so good, like really good on my diet. I didn't have to take medicine, wasn't hurting anything like that for months. And then I started back integrating cheese in my diet because I love cheese. And now I'm like, I have to take medicine every day. So we're just gonna get back on a diet. So yeah, but that's why I've been missing. But 2019, I'm not trying to, but I am gonna come back full force with videos and more veganism videos, with meals, grocery hauls, and stuff like that. And my 1 year anniversary is coming up, so I'm going to do a video. I need to do a video on that, so I can talk about like my shortcomings, my non-shortcomings, always like high comings, I don't know. My shortcomings, my long comings, like I just need to make a video on that. So yeah, I need to stop, like, I don't know. I'm just really lazy. I know I'm lazy, but yeah, I don't stop. So yeah, it's my fault that I haven't like elevated with my craft or anything. Besides losing my job, which also like low-key is my fault, but low-key like ain't my fault too. Again, I think I was set up, but we're not gonna go into that, you know? But my job now is like 10 times better than Cracker Barrel. I make money, like a lot of money. I make money, not like trying to like flaunt myself or anything, but I'm like, I'm a good server, so you know. I love my job at Denny's. The people there are, the managers there are, well, two of the managers there are lit. But I wouldn't change my job for anything, just because, I don't know, I work hard, and I'm a hard worker. I have good, like, work ethic, you know what I'm saying? Like, I work hard, and I just love my job, and I love that, like, my managers feel like they can depend on me, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I love my job. But I don't want to work for people that, like, ain't, like, much longer. Like, at all, because I don't know. I just don't want to work for people anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to wake up when I want to wake up. I want to do what I want to do. I want to be charging my own money. You know what I'm saying? And although serving is good, serving is pretty cool, I don't want to be serving all my life. You know what I'm saying? I thought I would have like enough to talk about for this whole video, but I don't. It's really not even a lot to tell. Like, I was really just in a deep depression. Like, I wanted to kill myself. Like, I don't like depending on people. I like to have my own money, my own, you know what I'm saying? Like, my own. And then when I got fired, it just was like, and I couldn't find a job, I don't know. And then like, I knew, I don't know, it just was I was in a bad place. Thank God, because I don't know, I was just going crazy. And a lot of people just weren't there for me. But to the people that were there for me, I appreciate them a whole lot. I seriously thought I had like enough to talk about to last like a whole video. Like I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna talk about like my depression, But I mean, it really wasn't much to talk about my depression. It's just really like, it's just sad that I didn't have a job. I was sad I had to, like I had to ask for money and stuff. I had like my mom and stuff sending money and everything. I'm like, it was just humiliating to myself. But you know, you get knocked down, and if you still stay in that knockdown like mindset, that's all you're gonna be is knocked down. And I had to learn that too, because I was bugging, like Shorty was bugging for real. Like I was really bugging. And I just had to realize that if I keep, you know, in this toxic mindset, that nothing good is gonna come from it. So then he's just like, I don't know. Then he just changed my mind. It's like, I don't know what to talk about now. Cause I don't have stuff to talk about. I just don't have anything to talk about. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully this year I'm making it a point that I just stop sitting on my ass and start like doing what I need to do to elevate myself in life. Cause how do I want to be a makeup artist and this, that, and the third, but I don't practice my craft. I don't do anything. You know, I'm just lazy. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense at all. You know. So 2019 was all about stop being lazy. Like seriously, we have to stop being lazy. It's like I'm just too talented to just be sitting here doing nothing, you know? Not to boost myself up, like I'm not trying to boast myself up. I just know like I'm greater than what I'm giving myself credit. I'm greater than what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? 10 times greater than what I'm doing. It's like I'm complacent with life, but I've always kind of be like that. I'm not trying to like spill into like how I am, but like I've always been like that, just complacent. Like I'm good with the right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I need to stop being complacent in life because it's not good for the right now. But you know what though? Don't hide your depression from anybody, because if they're your real friends, they're gonna be there for you, like no matter what, you know what I'm saying? And I feel that 100% with anybody. Like if you're somebody's friend and they are like reaching out to you, trying to express what's been going on with them, and you reject them. Like I understand people go through things themselves, but you know, like I don't know. Like I reached out to some people who shall remain nameless, and fuck them. Like seriously, like fuck them, like fuck them for real. But it feels good to be back. Like I miss doing videos. It was so fun, especially for me because like I was getting better with editing. You know what I'm saying? I was getting way better with editing. Well, hello there. I think I recognize you. Okay, let's just not do that. So, hello, West is here, as you can see, with the video. I thought I would do, like, a get ready chit chat with me video, explaining why I've been missing for like 4 months, 4 or 5 months, 5 months, 4 months, some months, more than 1, more than 2, more than 3, probably more than 4, 5 months. Anyways, I'm back. Hopefully, I'm here to stay. Like, if I can stop being lazy and stop procrastinating, then I will be back, you know? Possibly 1 video a week, probably on Fridays. Either on Mondays or Fridays. It's gonna be one of those 2 days. So yeah, hope you like it. I hope it's a good video. So yeah, I should just stop rambling. Oh, do you like my makeup? So you like the eyeshadow? Let me know, because I can do like a tutorial on it. Because I didn't record it, because it's been a while since I did eyeshadow, and I didn't know if I would do good or not. It turned out well, so yeah. But yeah, let's go ahead with the video. So yeah, I don't think I even did an outro. Man, I'm so out of whack. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know. But this is gonna be the outro. This is so awkward, but this is gonna be an outro. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you probably Friday or next Friday or either Monday. Because I'm usually off Monday and Friday. So yeah. Okay. Let's just end this video.